One of the biggest lessons for the pandemic around the CMO is to be able to use the data now. I would say that the issue is really not inability of brands to use digital or to accelerate digital experience. These brands have had all the data within the organization and maybe even with the partner to understand the customer in a more powerful way, to be able to construct experiences that resonate with consumers across the journey, and then to be able to build loyalty. So the first thing is look at the data that they have, understand where they need to invest with analytics, and then also how to invest in more digital experience such as chatbots, AI, augmented reality, and then put them together in a way that makes sense for the brand, and then provides that empathy, emotional connection, and value to the consumer. I think in today's environment, it's not a matter of being more empathetic or more effective. I think both of them are related. The empathy comes from a genuine concern for the consumer in terms of what value can the brand provide? What are the pain points? How can they alleviate any concerns or worries? If you're a bank, can they look at it in terms of how can they delay some of these payments? If you're a car manufacturer, are there specific terms and offers that you can give the consumer to be able to reduce their stress of buying a vehicle or a used vehicle? So that there are different ways where and these are all empathy, but it's also leading to effectiveness, because now you're able to connect in a way that provides that emotion, but then back up that marketing with value. Now, clearly, the brand will take a short-term hit in profitability, but in the long run, that brand recognition and brand affinity becomes a foundation for building further digital engagement. Despite the pandemic, there are several examples where companies are still continuing to innovate and actually connecting with their brand and doing quite well in terms of digital marketing. One example that comes to mind is the apparel company Diesel, where they make jeans and cool outfits and so on. What they have done is actually created a digital 360-degree showroom, and it is called the Hype Room. And this is where all the clothing is actually put into a 3D experience where consumers can look at the clothes, can try on, superimpose, can look at different colors, settings, and so on. And that is driving, almost in real life types of experiences. And then using the data and analytics to surround that to provide value, these brands are doing very innovative things. I think from these cases, one of the things we are learning is that use the data that is available right now and use it in such a way to apply advanced analytics, not just baseline or traditional analytics, but things such as predictive analytics, machine learning algorithms, AI, to be able to really uncover deep insights. The second learning is that marketers are still responsible for the quality of the experience. Although AI can be used to automate, marketers should not just leave that aside and say, I'm going to let the system do it. They're still responsible for creating the messages, for the empathy. Another takeaway would be design your next generation marketing system for central access to the data, to the content, to the models, to the metrics.